Right, this is a check on the unit to make sure it's accessing the local mobile phone network. There are 6 steps necessary. First of all, make sure the unit is facing with its card that way, ID card that way, and 6 steps are: firstly, unscrew the unit's lid and place it to one side. Secondly, we have to check whether there is a 30-second flash from that little LED just there. Now if we wait long enough, it should flash. If it does, there we go. As it does, then there is enough light falling on this, and it means that the system is operational. Now if it doesn't flash, it means that this has not got enough light on it and it needs to be in the sun. I've got quite a few lights up here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I need all of those to convince this little unit that it's morning. Anyway, so if it's not flashing, you need to convince it with more light or take it outside in the sun. Now the next step, you have to make sure that light has been falling on this for at least 33 minutes before you do the next step. The next step is to get a big dark mouse mat or something quite heavy and dark and cover the photocells up. As soon as you do that, this light will start to flash once every second. About now. Thank you. There we go. There we go. So it's flashing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's going quite fast, once a second. Now it's trying to lock onto the network. Now, whilst it's flashing that fast, it won't log onto the network. But when it goes to slower, there you go, once every 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, flash. 1, 2, 3, flash. There you go. So now it is sending a text once every 3 seconds. And that's the main test. Now, once you've done that, then it's a matter of taking it off again and putting the lid back on.